How do you stop bad breath from actually starting is really quite simple. It's just making a simple decision that you don't want bad breath. Ask yourself the question, if I don't want bad breath, what are the things that I have to do? Now, I probably can end the video right there. You already know what you have to do. Right? You have to brush your teeth twice a day at least. Floss once a day. That's the home care, consistently, day in, day out. Right? One is not, and the two is also not to eat no garlic, so the foods that have that bad aroma, onions perhaps, right? Don't eat those consistently as well. Third thing you got to do, yes, I know, you got to come visit your favorite dentist, right? I mean, you just have to. You got to get the professional care. Like this. You have a nice Lamborghini. You wash it at home. It looks nice, but you can see that he's not getting every little crack or every little dust particle over every vent. So what must you do? You take it to a professional to get it completely detailed and just clean and pristine. That's what you do when you have a $250,000 car, $500,000 car. I don't even know what they cost. So you got to treat your mouth the same. Go see a dentist. Come see your hygienist. Maintain it at least every 6 months. At least. Right? If you have to be a little bit more severe, it can be a little more frequent than that. But this is how you actually are able to prevent the bad breath from starting. All right? Make sure you take care of yourself. We'll see you soon.